Hi guys.
Hi.
Ladies, how are you, my darling? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Gufford, how are you?
Ramsay.
Wendy, how are you, my darling?
Yeah.
Alison, how are you?
Thank you.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
I like that. So, three sisters.
Yes.
You're not the sister, are you?
No, brother-in-law.
Now, tonight is all about good food made fast. Yeah?
Right.
Cuthbert, we haven't even started cooking.
I know,
like a pig.
it's the heat.
It's the heat.
chef.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Lovely,
chef.
we're ready.
Jane and Cuthbert that side,
Lovely.
Wendy and Alison this side, yes?
Okay,
Yes,
lovely.
chef.
Okay, good.
Thank you, chef.
Right, Wendy,
Yes, chef.
the menu, what is it?
The menu tonight, chef, is for our starter. We've got fresh tuna with.
Oh, holy shit. I'm now starting to shit myself. I haven't cooked anything. I know. You're sweating like a pig. Wendy hasn't got a clue what's going on, and I'm getting slightly nervous.
Right.
OK, it's a seared tuna salad niçoise, OK? That was a shit start. Yeah?
It was
terrible.
Let's do the first table together. Time 6 minutes for the eggs.
Yeah, 4
Let's do the
minutes,
first
4
table
minutes
together.
to go.
Right, listen,
No.
the only thing we're cooking is the tuna at the
Tuna.
last minute.
Right.
And the eggs. 3 or 4 potatoes each, yes? Handful of beans, yes?
Handful of beans.
Yes,
And
chef.
pitted olives. Shallot rings, yes? Cherry tomatoes, yes?
Yes, chef.
What are they called?
Anchovies.
Anchovy fillets, good. Dress that, that's done. Olive oil in the pan, nice and hot.
Yeah.
In. Literally 1 minute each side.
Yeah.
Turn.
Turn it.
Bring the heat back up into the pan.
Yeah.
Balsam with vinegar. And we just go
On top of
over.
it. A bit of flavour.
Off.
In the oven.
Sliced. Careful, I don't want it ripped. Look.
Right.
Seared, beautifully.
yes.
Pink in the centre. Eggs out, please. Then from there, open.
Come on,
Where's the
ladies.
eggs? Now, I'm sorry, but there's nothing difficult there, is there?
No.
Let's go. Good girl. Good girl.
Come on, Alice, move out the way. Got an extra one.
Careful. Fucking hell, when you're like a bull in a china shop. Watch, up, and then...
Oh, fuck. Oh, it's a bit.
Yeah, that's nice. Look, listen to me.
Perfect.
Sit that there and let it drizzle inside. And that there is fit for a king. Right, would you pay for that?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, Cuthbert.
I certainly will, chef.
You haven't even touched it and you're still
I
sweating.
will do, it's lovely.
Let's go.
I can't help it,
Service,
please,
please. You know. Lovely, go, on y voilà. 2 covers table 9, 2 salad niçoise, 2 roast chicken, 2 apple and pear.
Yes,
Away.
chef. Yes.
Right, Cuthbert.
Yes.
2 tuna salad.
2 tuna salad.
1 egg for 2 portions. You've got 4 fucking eggs in there.
Sorry, chef.
1 egg, 2 portions.
1 egg, 2 portions.
Let's go, big man.
So we want 2, chef.
Cuthbert.
Yeah.
1 egg, 2 portions.
Oh, we only want... Yes, sorry, chef. I'm doing it again, I can't count, chef. Sorry, chef.
Right, listen.
Yes, sorry,
Once you
chef.
be dressing the salad,
Yeah,
once you
you
get the
should be
tuna
dressing.
ready, who's doing the salad?
I'm doing tuna.
Oh, fuck me.
You're doing the salad.
So fucking low
Yeah,
on
we're doing
Hardy
the
show.
salad then.
This is another fine mess I got myself into, Cuthbert.
Where's my phone?
Fucking hell. Alison, get that pan nice and hot.
I'm trying to get it
Nice
hot,
and
but
hot.
it won't get any hotter than any quicker.
Ready, chef.
Finish it.
Nice.
Be careful
Yeah, I
cutting
was
it,
cutting it. I
yeah?
ripped
Very
it a bit
careful,
there, chef.
yes?
Sorry about that,
Yeah,
chef.
it's nice and pink.
Yeah.
However, very, very nice. OK, go, please. Yeah, table
Where's the
9.
other salt?
No, what are we on for?
Well done. Well done,
you,
Cuthbert.
chef.
Let's
Thank
go,
you,
big
chef.
boy, yes?
Lovely.
I loved it. I adore tuna anyway. The tuna was cooked superbly. It was a little bit pink, and the eggs were very flavoursome. They were lovely.
The tuna was well cooked, if a little bit cold. All in all, I enjoyed it.
Yes.
Results. JB. Here we go. So, for the starters, 37 out of 50.
Thank you.
Now, listen. Keep it going. You are
Yes,
now
yes,
in
yes,
the
yes,
lead.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, OK? Don't fuck it up. You got 37 out of 50.
Thank you, guys.